Hey, good morning all my inky pen friends. Larry here with Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews mail call day, which was actually yesterday, Friday. So, let's get it done. First of all, I did get in this package, which I'll show you one that's already open, I get the reinforcements. And there's only certain reinforcements that I use because the ink will stick onto these reinforcements real well. There's some others that I've tried that it won't really hold that color to it. So this is the only place I get them, from Stiff Finger or S Finger off of eBay. So, well, that's one. But anyway, so here's one from Greg Williams. Big box, right? So, let's get it open. So, I do not want to damage this whatsoever. So, give me a little bit of time here. Nice and taped up for sure. Alright, let's see. Alright. Almost there. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, let's go and pull this out. And maybe not. Oh, alright, there goes some of that. Here we go. Here we go. Right, set this aside. We are almost there. And there's a little business card up there. Would you like to read that, Mr. Announcer? Ocean what?
Ocean Quest Corporation.
And what else does it say?
Craig Williams, Director.
Okay. So, ncwcustom.com, fine woodworking. So, we'll open this stuff up and check it out. Oh, okay. It opens like this. Now, people have mentioned that because of my hair, I resemble Einstein, Jerry Garcia from the Grateful Dead, and even Manson. Ugh. But anyway, so Greg came up and wanted to do a drawing of me, a picture, so he came up with this idea. And it says, Uncle Larry, we are so sorry. And if you get that line, let me know your comments below. It goes to a song. I'll say you that. But this has Uncle Larry in it. But this is Einstein. So if what was Einstein's first name, then you should get the song. So, thank you a whole lot from Craig. There it is. From Craig Williams. But ta-da! We're so sorry, Uncle Larry, but we haven't done a bloody thing all day. There you have it, folks. It's all about a special thank you to Craig Williams. Thank you, Craig. Folks, that'll do it. Peace, love, be safe. Again, wash them hands, and as always, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.